In this video, we will learn our first two ballet steps, first position and demi plie. Remember, first position is one of 5 ballet positions. Demi means half and plie means to bend. So a demi plie is a half bend. Here's what it looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For all of the novice ballet lessons, we are going to be using a bar. You should have learned about proper bar technique and what to use for a bar, such as a chair or counter in the ballet introduction lesson. So have one on hand. When you're ready, let's go. Remember the proper bar technique we learned in the ballet introduction video. We never want to start with our hands placed on the bar. We always want to approach the bar properly. We do this by making sure our head is held high and our chest is lifted. Lightly place your fingertips on the bar. Our elbows should be slightly bent and in. Now, place your feet in parallel. Your toes are pointed forward and your heels are together. To find our first position, we lift our toes and open them up as far as you can and place them down. Your toes are turned out and ideally, your heels should be touching. It's okay if they don't. This is called a turned out position. Let's go back to parallel and try it again. Ready? Turnout comes from our hips. The knee and ankle follow. Do not open your toes more than what is comfortable. This is called forcing your turnout. Forcing your turnout is one of the worst things you can do because it places stress on your joints and muscles. If your feet are in an unnatural position, bring your toes in until it feels right. If you have proper turnout, you will have good balance. Good balance is found with proper alignment. Proper alignment is when our shoulders are over our hips are over our knees, and our knees are over our heels. To recap, first position is found by standing in parallel, opening up your toes, and gently placing them down. Demi plies can be done in all 5 ballet positions, but for this video, we will be focusing on the demi plie in first position. Remember, demi plie means half bend. When we demi plie in first, our knees bend and are pointed over our toes. Our heels are down and all 5 toes are on the floor. It is also important that our chest stays lifted and our bottom stays in. When we straighten, our posture should remain the same. Try it with me. Bend, straight, bend, straight, bend, straight, bend, straight. Remember, our knees should stay pointed to the side and our chest should stay lifted. Let's try it a few more times. Bend, straight, bend, straight, bend, straight, bend, straight. This combination is done in a count of 8. 2 to bend, 2 to straighten, 2 to bend, 2 to straighten. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Try it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Did your heels stay on the floor? Make sure they don't come up. Glue them down. Let's try 2 counts of 8 in a row. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job! You just learned the demi plie in first position. Practice the technique, and when you're ready, in the next lesson, you'll learn the demi plie in second position. Good luck!